Hi friends, welcome back. If you are interested in acrylic painting, this video will help you. In this video, I am going to share you the technique with acrylic paint. You can use this technique for background and also develop some idea for making abstract painting. It's depend on your creativity. In this video, I am using canvas board, acrylic paint, brushes and plastic sheet for giving texture. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.